We are at Kmart Center at Melbourne CBD, and this is a hidden gem. It's a Japanese sushi and bento, and made by real Japanese. It looks like the chef is probably from a well-known restaurant because the way they cook it looks very yummy. It's very professional and it's actually very yummy. Surprisingly good, better than we expected. So this is
Thank you.
Thank you.
udon,
Thank you.
and that is, open it for me please. Udon, ramen
Tempura.
with tempura.
Yeah.
That's a tempura. Huh? Only 2 pieces.
Oh.
I expected bigger.
No, it's not.
Okay, come try it. This place
Sushi-sushi
very nice. Sushi. Okay, I'll show you the sushi. Hot udon, sushi, and the price is pretty good, starting from $9.90. Hot udon only $11.90. Very nice. Come try at Kmart Center CBD.